Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Throwing hardware at shade can fix the wrong problem and lock in complexity you did not need. Optimizers, parallel strings, clever wiring all cost money up front and in maintenance. ClearSpot agents help you see which approach actually saves yield per euro. They measure string-level performance under different shading regimes and hotspot patterns. The agent tracks mismatch loss and compares behavior with and without optimizers across comparable zones. Engineers no longer need to design and process multiple test layouts manually. The agent performs comparisons at scale and surfaces, which configuration delivers the best net effect. We break down scenarios where optimizers pay for themselves, where simpler parallel arrangements are enough, and where design changes beat both. Use those insights to write internal shading and hardware standards so new projects do not relearn the same lessons. The Shading Hardware Decision Matrix and Example Comparison Report are available with this episode. Grab them on the ClearSpot demo page by requesting the Shading Solutions resource for this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.